Hello guys, it's your girl Equa Bellissima. I hope all of you are doing well. I really love you all. For those of you who are already subscribed to this channel, and for those who haven't subscribed, please do so to subscribe to this channel for me. On today's recipe, I'm preparing fresh fish light soup, and it's very delicious and authentic. So let's see what we are going to use. I have my red fish and then fish no head, ginger, garlic, Scotch pepper, rosemary, the dry one, then Star Annise half, and then onion. That's what I'm going to blend it to spice my fish. Then for here I have my tomato paste, natural spices, paprika, bell pepper, red bell pepper, fresh tomatoes, Scotch pepper, and then I have my Toolo Beef. That's my Toolo Beef, and then salted octopus, and then my 1 Maggi Cube and 1 Star Cub, then salt to taste. So let's start. I'm starting by cutting my onion, the blended item. So I'm cutting it and then blend it. The fish has already been washed with lime. I've really washed it well with lime. The rest go inside. So my blended item is ready. So I'm going to pour a little bit on top of my fish to marinate it. I'm not going to use everything. The rest is going to use it to the Toolo Beef, and then add your natural spices plus paprika. Just a little bit of salt to taste, to give it a taste. I'm using my hand to put it well. It has to be marinated well. Please try some for me because it's very delicious. The family really love it. Very delicious. So I'm covering it and then leave it for 30 minutes. I want the spices to go inside. So let's put this one aside here. Or you can put it inside your fridge for 30 minutes. Let me put it inside my fridge for 30 minutes. I'm starting by cutting my bell pepper, red bell pepper, and then boil it. Everything has already been washed here. It has been washed well. Then your 3 tomatoes, cut it, then boil everything together. I'm adding a little bit of water. I need to boil it, just a little bit, and it goes on the fire. Okay, so right now let's see our Toolo Beef. Put our Toolo Beef and then salted octopus inside. same as your Star Cube, 1 Star Cube. And then Maggi Cube, 1. Then you add the rest of your blended onion, ginger, garlic, rosemary. Add a little bit of water to raise it inside the blender. Okay. It's okay. Then cut the onion. Add your cut onions inside for it to season it. That's what we are going to use to season it. You add your tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, everything together. Because of the salted beef, I'm not going to add too much of salt, just a little. Okay. I'm going to put it on fire, then season it for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, we are done. My bell pepper, ginger, tomato is ready. I'm going to blend it. My blended tomatoes, bell pepper is ready. I'm putting it inside. Let me release it more. I'll add another water to it. I am putting my fish inside my soup. Add the rest of it, the ginger, everything inside your soup. Let's add it inside. Okay. I'm checking my soup. Oh la la! Check my salt. Perfect. Everything is okay. Love it. Then do it like this for about 20 minutes. Then my soup is ready. I'm going to enjoy it with fufu. Very delicious. Guys, this is my fufu. Potatoes, flour, and potato starch. I'm using water to mix it. One is more, so I'm going to add another 1 glass of water. Okay. Mix everything together. It's coming. My soup is ready. Going to enjoy it, my fufu. Hey, I like the head. There you did. Come here. Fish no head. You two come. My Toolo Fish. What else? My salted octopus. Very light soup. Light one. Right. You are invited, eh? So don't forget to try it for me, because it's very delicious. If today is the first time you are watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment for other people to see my channel. A bit of your okra. Very delicious. Salted octopus. We'll catch up now in the next recipe. Okay? See you.